It is time for my spring break. I want to read 3 books during spring break. I have done a super fun thing of wrapping my next 23 books that I'm going to read. So come with me as I randomly choose the books that I'm going to read next. I have a wheel numbered 1 through 23. Let's spin it. 20. 14. 22. Here they are. I wrapped these books so long ago, I don't even remember what they are. So first is 14, which is How to Say Goodbye in Robot. 20. The Wild Ones. 22. Oh my gosh, this one is massive. Chinese Myths and Folktales. I'll check back in next time I need a new book.